Hi, this is the Lego body man thing. I'm gonna do a review today on the Skull Truck Lego set 2506, ages 8 to 14. Lego Ninjago Masters of Ninjutsu. The box is a little bit big. This set. Here you get the nunchucks for lightning, the Lego and then Garmadon up here. Lego mod. Set 2506. You get two booklets. One is just got the spinner and this. About the booklet. Then back here you got 2012, the snakes. Got this thing, Lego Club, the Lego Universe, the Ninjago video game, this little ad here, weapons, sets, I've got all of these and stuff like that, and pieces, it goes on here, then features, the back. That was not necessary. Get on to the figures, or minifigures. Here's Garmadon, as we got in the fire temple. He looks nice. Turn his hand around a little bit more. Got the ribs, and he's actually not dead because he's got his body. Normal body. Got no printed black legs. That's his face. Ooh. And his samurai helmet with a bone attachment. That's enough about him. And there's a weapon. Just the electric staff that you usually see in every set that you get Garmadon in. So for a spinner set. You get Whiplash. Got his bone hammer thing. That's him without his hat. And you got the Sensei Wu hat, which I thought it was a little bit awkward. Stole Sensei Wu's hat. You've seen this guy before in the Earth Dragon one. Here is his face. Here is his little armor thing. Here's his printing. Got nailed for his chest and this little, what I call undies for a strange reason. They look like undies, but it doesn't go around the back, so you can probably see one of his privates. But don't forget it's a skeleton. They don't have privates. Stay. Here's Zane and his black spear, which shows our brown. It's actually a brown one, but I can find it, so I just use an old black gunmetal grey one thing. There's his printing. That's his face. Nothing on the back. And printed legs. Here is Jay, which is my favourite ninja. He's got the golden nunchucks. 3-piece nunchucks. Here he is. You got the octopus lining thing. He's got a little bit of a missing eyebrow there. Got a face, as usual. Nothing on the back. It's a little thing here. That you can actually hold the nunchucks in without the chain bit falling off. Like that. Next we'll get onto the actual skull truck itself. These are just attached on these little hooks. which I thought was a little bit awkward. its face, very scary. Massive tires. No need to be that massive. These walls move up and down, but it's not really each other they do. New engine piece. I wouldn't describe it new though. And it's got these little things that goodbye Zane. The first feature is you see this little bone cage thing. You open up the teeth, then you slide the person in and trap him. Wahaha. And then you can slay them. Also, you got the flames shooting out here. And they're just connected on by here. They are connected on somewhat awkwardly. Where do they touch? And then they touch. Yep, touch there. This thing with the rubber bands here, the launcher, you push this back, and you shoot the skull hand thing. It's got this printed skull face thing. No stickers at all in this set. Only printed. Inside you got the steering wheel, if you can see there. And the gigantic headlights. And then when you got this is the end of Zane gets out of the trap thing. And he's running. You'll find a nasty surprise. They capture him, put him in there, and this is gonna hurt. He presses a button, and then he gets eaten. It's got suspension, as you can see. And the jewel wobbles up and down, which is awkward. And that's the shooter is actually a little bit hard, but you take off. Maybe I should take off the traps. Under here, this is how the suspension is worked. But these bits here actually have springs in them. And then it attaches onto the wheel bits to make it nice and squishy. Plus, these are everything here is actually pretty tight, and some bits are also loose. That makes it squish. I don't know why it makes that noise though. Okay, now I can stick back on the traps. Load up everything. Make the skull fist in order. Okay, that's it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.